Hello, guardians and art teachers and students. Today, I show you the watercolor, the magic of watercolor. I already give you some 4 to 5 lesson how to draw straight line, but now I just give you about the watercolor, and because I need to increase your interest. What is your destination? You practice from the kids, from the children, and what will be the become your artist? When you become an artist, how excellent you can draw, I will discuss in this topic. Today I draw watercolor. You just see how I draw the watercolor in paper. Paper name is Curtis paper. Okay, it is a good quality paper, and I take artistic watercolor brushes, palette, water. Okay, so then I start, and first time I tell you that watercolor have a three stage. First time give light color. Second stage is give slightly deep color, and the final tone, final time, the picture will be finished. So I show you in practical way how you draw in watercolor the superb and magic pictures. Okay, today I show you a home with surrounding a trees. Okay, so you just see and try to draw it, but kids and children cannot be draw, but who are slightly expert in watercolor, they can try it. Okay, and the straight line drawing will be continue after I give the 5 watercolor drawing to you. Then I will continue these classes, the straight line classes. Okay, so let's watch the watercolor, the magic of watercolor. Let's watch. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's start. Art teachers and guardians, please watch my magic of watercolor. I just show you because for your interesting, but too much practice you will get this ability. So today I show you a home surrounding with the trees. Just I first draw the home, and this is surrounding by the trees. But I can also, without drawing, I maybe color, but for your advantages I show you the drawing. Okay, so this handset may be taken 1.5 years or 2 years. Okay, because everything we know that this is need some time. Okay, all right, so I just drawing it and the trees. Okay, I'll show the color. And here is also a tree, bushes, the window, door. Okay, so now I color it. You saw the magic of watercolor. Just give the watercolor and leave the trees portion. Okay, very slowly you do it. Okay, not in my style, the fast way, because I am experienced more than 30 years about the fine art. So when you gather the knowledge and experience like me, then you can do it, but at first very slowly. So I just wet the paper with the water, and I just apply the color. Color is Prussian blue and white. Prussian blue and white mixed, the sky blue color. Okay, I just give the sky blue here, sky blue color. sky blue here. When you down in the sky portion, you just give light yellow with mixed of white color. Okay, light yellow. It will be looking great. Okay. So this is our sky is completed. Always remember that watercolor have three stages: first time, second time, and the final tone. So this is our first time color. All right. Now I color the bushes and trees, sap green, I taking the sap green, light yellow, always give some gapping. Okay, so it is quite look great and practical. Always left some white portion. Also you give light yellow in the trees portion, because upper trees portion is quite yellowish. You look very carefully the nature. Okay, I really love nature, so I love to drawing landscape. So here is the trees is color and the bushes color, that is sap green and just brilliant green. Brilliant green means deep green, but always give the color first stage in light color. All right, light color, light color. This is amazing. After finishing the drawing, you will get the result. All right. Small yellow color. Now I take the brand signer. Brand signer means brown. Okay, brand signer. Brand signer and slight yellow. Yellow and orange. I tell you all the colors because you need to practice. Yellow and orange color. Don't mix up the color, just left a small white portion. It will look great, very great. Now land is landing. Now land, just give the yellow and light yellow color, light yellow and light green. Just land, give the color in the land. So I just finished the first time color of this landscape. All right. Now after 10 to 15 minutes, I pause this video. Now I am back. So I give the second time color. Alright, second time color, it should be
slightly deep from the first time color. All right, so I give the gradient green to the tree. Some places color is not full dry, but this is our advantages for draw the color. That's I called magic of watercolor. All right, this is too much interesting for every students. I learned always straight line in previous video, but I show you the ultimate way where you go after 2 or 3 years. You need time. Please don't mind our teachers and guardians when you teach this to your children or kids, but don't try this now. After some time you can practice it and you maybe give color like me, but it needs very much practice. Just give the shade in the land, but must be in light color. Color is like now is deep, but when it is dry it will become light color. Now we focus on the home, our main object. I just taken brand sign and Prussian blue. Brand sign portion is quite big. Brand sign are near about 80% and Prussian blue near about 20%. Okay, don't use black, please don't use black. Too much hand shaded is needed for this type of drawing. Just keep slight shade in this portion because it is home, so it's quite like practical. So look very great. Okay, and this is our second time. After few minutes to wait, and I will give you and I will show you the final stage of this drawing. All right, so now it will be dry. After some time then I will show you the color, final tone, final color. All right, so left it for 15 minutes. Okay, now I am back and I give 15 to 20 minutes to, and color is now dry, so I give the final tone. Please watch carefully. Final tone is the finishing of the drawing. All right, so brand sienna and Prussian blue I am taken, not black color. Okay, this is the branches of the trees. Okay, branches. So this is the good color, looking very good, and trees branches, and you just give slight deep portion in the bruises. Okay, just light the color, bruises color, and just give it quite deep. And the window, door, just give shade, and now finish the color. Just slightly give deep color lightly. When you give the deep color, please mind it. Do not cover the drawing with the whole drawing with the deep color. Okay, just give just tone. In our fine art, we are calling it tone. All right. So the give is a tone. So now our drawings become complete, and final tone is necessary for some places. I wish that you like this drawing, and please give comment about my drawing. If you have any problem, please ask me. Please like and share my videos, my drawings with your friends, colleagues, and students. And please give me a like and subscribe my channel. All right. So now it is complete. So I just straight the drawing. You look very great. Okay. So this is a great drawing. I have give the magic of watercolor. Okay. So thank you. This is the finished my drawing, but I give some birds here looking great. So little birds. So very slowly give a little. My last finger is here. Okay. So the style. Okay. All right. So balance your hand anytime. All right. Now you look this drawing. It's quite great. I really love landscape, and I'm showing you. And then next video I will show you another different drawing in watercolor. Straight line drawing. The lesson will be continued after finishing my landscape, 5 landscape. Then I will continue the straight line lessons. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this drawing. Okay. Have a great time and great future. Thank you.